This conference will now be recorded.
Guys, good morning. Oi, good morning, good morning. మా పొద్దున్నే గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ అని చెప్పమ్మా. Guys, today the topic is what the topic here? Method reference example. I think last class what we done? Java 8 videos. Java 8 videos. How many videos are done, amma? I think you guys are following all the videos, right? Following or not following? Following means very good, amma. Not following means very, very good. Not following means what? Very, very good. Because today, yeah, 12 videos are cut, na? 12 or 13, right? Here, I think I didn't place the 13th one. Fine. Because total 13 videos are done, nama. Today is the 14th video. Okay, let me check all the videos once. Let me place the order. Yeah, yeah. Guys, tell me what the class one. We talk about lambda expression. What the purpose of lambda expression? Tell me. Lambda expressions will provide the implementations of what functional interface methods. Functional interface method, right? Second is the for each method, print the data. Next one is the filter method, predicate. Filter is what? Predicate. Filter means based on the condition we need to get a filter the data, right? Filter the data, integer comma string, filter method with employee object, right? Map method. Map is used to apply the operation on what? All elements in a sequence. This is object data. Reduce means what? Reduce means reduce will apply the operation on all elements. Return so many values one value. Like sum of all elements, average of all elements, length of all names, like that. Sort is used to sort the data. Sorting with what? Employee object. And method reference with for each method reference with the filter, method reference with map, and 13 video method reference with reduce. Today class method reference with map. This is 10 11 this is like 13 this is 14 okay. Method reference with what sort. Method reference with what sort, right? So in this video we will talk about the method reference with the sorting operation, guys. We method reference with what sorting. All videos clearly there. You please maintain the notes for this all the videos. You got the point, right? Yes. A method reference with the sorting, so to do this one, do the practicals. To this one, just you can go for the some advanced Java CSS. Just you can launch some maybe clip workspace. Guys, how many ways you can do the sorting total? Three ways. How many ways you can do the sorting? Three ways. What are the three? One is the collection dot sort method. Second one is what? List dot sort. Third one is what? Stream dot sorted. Something like this. I'll apply these three with the method reference code. With what? Method reference code. Just to do that, sorting is what? To perform the sorting, the data must be homogeneous, right? To perform the data sorting, the data must be homogeneous. The data must be homogeneous. Yes, just you can take the class SR3, some package name you can take. Right click, new. I want take what class. Put the class name guys here. Sort method ref example. Sorting method reference example. Click on main method. Click on the finish. All right. Tell me guys. Let me take the list of names. Already the list of names. List of what? List of what names, right? List of, just you can take the string names equal to, tell me guys, list dot which method we have to use, off method. Otherwise arrays dot what, as list, right? Arrays dot arrays dot hmm, yeah, arrays dot what as list method. Arrays dot as list of, tell me guys, arrays dot as list of what? Arrays dot as list of Ratan, and you can take Anu, and you can take like Stravia. Last we can take what? Japan, Japanna. Good. I want to do the sorting operation, guys. To perform the operation, sorting operation, just now I told you the first approach, collection dot sorter. So you can go for the collection dot sorter. Collection dot collections dot collections. Yes. Uh, collection collections collections dot which method we have to use sort method collection dot sort method what do you want to sort names I want sort what names I want to sort what data here names right but names directly sorted I think you don't need to use the method reference code in this line names directly sorted so here this is our control space I'm going to print what names right that is okay. Okay, Anu, Japan, Ratan, Shravya. Correct, right? Because collection dot sort directly list data we can pass directly sorted. But list dot sort expecting the argument is what comparator. Comparator. Sir, no, yaar. List how many flavors are there? The sort this is for ascending order. Here you can write the comparator. This is for the descending order. This is by default which order? Ascending order. This is for which order? Descending order. Got the point, right? Yes. This is list dot sort expecting comparator, right? This is for both ascending and it's a clarity about the subject descending order. Here you can pass the data. Third one is what? Collection dot sorted. This is for which order? Ascending order. So, this is for what? Ascending order. And sorted of which object is there? Comparator. Which object? Comparator. This is for ascending or descending? Descending, right? At the point, just come to the example here. And what I will do, collection dot sort normal I can use directly. This is just let me comment there. Next one is what? Names dot sort directly. But names dot sort method. See guys, names dot sort is expecting which object? Comparator. Comparator means previously here we written the lambda expression. What the comparator is a normal function interface. Function interface. That's what we are writing the code arrow in the brackets two arguments right I1 comma I2 then I1 dot compare to of what I2 right. This is the code you written. Agree right? Yes. Run this code you'll get the ascending order. Ascending order, descending order, ascending order right. Yes here I remove this. In place of lambda expression, let me write which method now? Method reference. Here I am going to call which method simply compare to method, right? I am going to perform sorting of which data here? String data, right? That's what just instead of writing this I1 dot compare to I2 and all, here you can write the string class dot compare to. That's it. Going to sort what type of data? String data, right? Yes. We got the output. So you got the output or not? Like that. So the sorting here expecting which object? Comparator. That's what comparator means what? Comparator means you are writing the lambda expression in place of lambda. What I written here is method reference, right? Exactly. Because even list of integers also same thing, right? If you take the list of what? List of integer. List of integers, something like you can take the numbers. Tell me guys what you can take arrays dot tell me guys arrays dot what arrays dot as list arrays dot as list of what we will do some numbers 1 7 4 9 2 7 8 something like this. Can you please saw the data? Can write the numbers directly. Tell me guys numbers dot what numbers dot sort here write the exactly integer ma numbers dot which method sort method numbers dot sort of integer colon compare to method right that's it. So integer colon what compare to right so no yeah, that is how it controls sorting previously written the lambda expression but now today we're writing what just names dot sort of integer colon compare to that's all. But to understand this first you should know the lambda how we written the lambda. My lambda means what you should understand the method like sorry functional interfaces. Which one function interface right? Exactly. Simply you can print the numbers. That's all. Let's run this code. You'll get the output. Sorted not sorted sorted right? Exactly. Because can we do one example with employee data? We will do one example with what? Employee data right? Exactly. Because if we do the one example with employee data, We'll do some example with what? Employee data. Okay, see, for example, let me take the employee class. You can take the otherwise, what you can say, ma? Class. What the class can tell me? EMP is already there. Student, you can take student class. Student also already available. You can take the something like EMP student product class. Product class is not there. Okay, fine. We can what the product. Product and is what they tell me here. Tell me yes. Int product ID string. Tell me here string what? Product name double product cost. Yes, for this one you need to make some source setters and getters method. Because method reference means you require the method. Method reference means we require what? Methods. That's what guys. You write the setters and getters, select all for this method reference purpose. And generally to insert some objects, let me take the constructor also, right? Let me take what constructor. Let me take the constructor using fields. Observe carefully. I have the constructor as well as setters and getters. Constructor for the while adding the data single line, just I'm adding the data. But methods purpose is what for the method reference purpose. You got the clarity, right? Yes. Because here you can write the sorting example. This one is a keep aside, just a colon colon compare to method, integer colon colon, string colon colon. Yes. Now let me take the list of. Tell me it's list of what? List of products, right? List of product. I can take the products equal to arrays dot. Tell me arrays dot what as list. Arrays dot as list of what? uh, you can add the new okay new product. Yes, new product of product id 101 product name. Some name from the product names, tell me. Product name is what? Chair. Tell me, product name is what? Otherwise sugar. What the product name? Sugar. Cost is how much, ma? 100 rupees. Kg sugar how much? 35 rupees. Okay, 35 rupees. 35 rupees. 35 అంతేనా? New product అమ్మా. Just we, oh, yep. Just you can take the product. Yeah, product ID is what about one or two, and you need to take the amma, oil, oil cost is what 235. 235, comma. Next one is what new. We create this example when the oil cost is 235 rupees. Okay. Remember. Maybe next level is a 435. We don't know. New product. New product. One not. So the product is the ID should be like some random numbers you can take. It's not a problem. So here we have the data like 456 something like this, right? Yeah. Okay. Next question: sugar, oil, paste, bellam, bellam, bellam cost is what 60 rupees. Okay, there's the data. Yes. Can you please sort the data? Let me take one more. One more. Satya saying that Chintapandu. Okay, Satya, I'll add your name. Satya favorite is what? Kalanda. Chintapandu. Chintapandu. Okay. Just you need to add the data like 45 rupees. Chintapandu, 125 rupees, I think, right? Yes. Let me add for the Sri also saying on product, Amma. Sri is saying that something like big product, she is saying Maida Pindi. Maida Pindi cost is what? 12 rupees. Bus. Yes, can you please sort the first of all data based on the employee? What you can say? Employee, sorry, product IDs. Tell me, guys, how can you sort the product IDs? Can I write the collections dot sort method? Observe carefully. Collection dot what? Sort method. What you can pass ma? Products, comma. Here you need to write the. Tell me, guys, what do we need to write? Product, product colon colon product what colon colon what we can say that method name we have to call which method we have to call get let me guess get a product id we get what product id that's it here expected like yeah We need to pass the comparator dot what? Comparing, amma. Comparator dot what, amma? Comparing. Comparator dot comparing int. Comparator dot what? Comparing int. Comparator dot comparing int like this, amma. You got the point, right? Yeah. Collection dot sort of products is there. Comparator dot comparing. Previously here we written the lambda expression code, right? Now comparator object, generally second argument is comparator, right? Comparator, which one you are calling, comparing int, get a PID. We get what, PID, right? Get a PID, right? Exactly. Because you need to print the data, how can you print the data here? Products data, for each method I can use what is the lambda expression code, system dot out colon colon print ln. Because but I told you that now, if you run this code, it will get the hash code somehow. To get the hash codes, not hash codes, we need to override the toString method. Yes or no? Yeah? When you call the data, toString method required, no? Because when you got the hash code, decide that we need to execute what? ToString method. Then we'll get the data, right? Right click, source, generate what? ToString method. Click on what? Generate. Get the point? Huh? Now go to the example. Simply run this code. See, product ID sorted, not sorted. Just you can see the code. Hmm. See, first starting ID 34, 344, 456, 565, 646. Here previously what I written? Lambda expression. Now comparator dot comparing int. Product colon colon get API. Which one is good, ma? Method reference. Like that. Because if you write the list dot sort. Because if you write the list dot sort, guys, list dot what? Sort. List dot what? Sort. Even write the comparing also, it's not a problem because you can write the comparing like this. If you run this code, data sorted, not sorted, take it 34, 354, 4 sorted, right? Exactly. Okay, so you write the directly second approach, products data sort. Here we need to write the directly comparator. Directly comparator means what? Comparator dot we sort expecting comparator. Sort expecting comparator. Forget about this lines. Think about the product data. It's very important, right? Comparator data, tell me guys, comparing, what do you want to compare? Tell me. Comparator comparing product colon colon get name. Get what? Get what? Get method we have to call something like product name somewhere. Yes, here also if you want you can print the data one more time. If you want you can print the copy paste. See this, previously here I written the lambda expression. Previously here I written the lambda expression. Now I am returning what a method reference. See how the beautiful code, step by step. Hmm? Guys, get name is this is like ascending order, descending order, ascending order of names, right? So this one is the sort name, sort name. First one is what, sort name idea. Wait, sort name idea. First one, sort. Just you can write the ID. You simply can run this code, If you run this code, see the output. First one sort based on the idea. Second one is what? Name. Chintapandu. Chintapandu important, best one. Second one is bellam important. Maida. Oil. Sugar last, it's not good for health. Oil also not good for health. Which one is good for health? Chintapandu. Next level. Hey, Chapan van, Tapidiki is what? Bellam. B first, C first. Because Chintaponda, I taken the C capital, na? The comparison interval and Unicodes, right? That's what. Now run this code. Now you'll get to me your Bellam first. Okay? Bellam important, right? Previously, Chintaponda important. Hey, Chintaponda, Bellama. Bellam is good. Bellam is important. Then Chintaponda. Then Maida. Then oil. Last, sugar. Got the point, right? But you want, Satya is asking, sir, I want sugar first. I want sugar first means what? Ascending or descending? Descending. But descending means very simple. Here product dot comparator dot comparing is there na, comparing based on this one na, by default ascending order. Here you can write a dot reversed. Now sugar first. Now what am I? Sugar coming first, uh, sugar, oil. See, always mine is middle. Maida in Uchama, middle approach. I got the point, right? By default, comparator dot comparing product dot ma real time we will write this code when the fresher join the company is asking sir this is Java code or not. Sir no yaar. Assume like he don't know lambda, he don't know lambda first of all. He knows only 1 2 3 4 sort output is 1 2 3 4. Collections completed. Lambda expression code some people know, but method reference code only employees knows. Get the point, right? Oh, yes or no? Last one, tell me, Amma. Products dot cost ascending or descending order. Wait, cost ascending or descending Mama. Wait, cost ascending or descending sort ID name cost. Tell me descending or you tell me the code for that. Product dot stream. What am I? Stream dot sorted of. Here you can pass what? Comparator dot. What am I? Comparator dot. What am I? Comparing. Comparator dot what? Comparing. Comparator dot what? Comparing. Which object am I? Product class. Which class am I? Product colon. Tell me get p cost. That's it. Get p customer. Get pcast dot for each the system dot out println because data coming properly or not. Cost ascending order coming descending order. Ascending order by default 12 35 the first now. My the first 35 60 125 235. This is important. You forgot about abolish. This is just like string dot compared to. This is integer dot compared to. That is not much important. Which is important? This is products important, not important. Products are very important. How we are doing the sorting. First one collections dot sort products here comparator dot comparing. Next one is list dot sort directly products dot directly what products dot sort products dot what sort, right? Exactly comparing. Last one is what's stream dot what sorted. Stream dot what sorted, right? Exactly. So the clear, that is information. Any questions? No questions, right? Yes, exactly. Is it clear now? That is like sorting operation, guys. I think you got ascending order, we got the reverse means what descending order, right? That is okay. We need to enjoy. Clear? That is called sorting with what method reference. You guys all are seeing like colon. Huh? Another what? Colon. Chuma? So here you can see directly that reverse. Comparator comparing all are same, right? Directly can have the reverse. Reverse means the data is coming which order? Reverse of first cost is what? 235, then 125, then 60, 30, 12. Just you can call the comparator dot comparing dot reversed. Yes. This many times reverse is not good. Normal code you can write. With the clarity, right? Come see. Previously here what we written lambda p1 comma p2 two arguments p1 dot pid dot compared to p2 dot pid. Then what we are writing now? Sort is expected in the comparator object comparator dot comparing. This is method reference code. Method reference means what calling the method and the corresponding product class, right? Exactly. Clear? Good. Because you please at least complete one small assignment, Amma. Small assignment. You take this data, see this data, input data. And this is the input data, this is output data. This is what input data and output data. Check the input data, ma. What is the input data? One some product IDs are there, product names are there, product cost is there. You should start the first of all based on the product ID. Start it based on product ID. Assume like here IDs are same 22222. Sort the data based on the product name. Sort next video we'll go for this example. Before the next video, you try to finish that. As of now, what the knowledge you have, you try to what finish, right? Exactly. Because you got the point, right? Got the conclusion over here. Product ID we need to sort them out. IDs are same 2222. Then sort based on the name car, charger, mobile. Then product ID 333. Product ID same 333. Then sort based on the name. I think here name also same, right? Laptop, laptop, laptop. Then sort according to cost. Cost according to what? Cost, right? Because you got the clarity, right? That is the information. You should just you can pause the video, just you can check the input data, what kind of output you have to get there. So sort the data based on the product ID. Based on the what? Product ID. IDs are same. If the ID is what? Same, sort the data based on what? Product name. We sort the data based on what? Product name. If the names are same, then sort the data based on according to cost. You got the clarity, right? Then reports will be generated like this. IDs are same. The names will be order. Names also same. The cost should be in the order, right? Cost should be in what? Order. Clear? Yes. Guys, like the video, comment the video. Please share the information to your friends. Share the information to what? Your friends. Meet in next video. We will see this example. I'll check this example once. Clear, right? Yeah. Bye, guys. Tomorrow we'll meet.